Hello friends, welcome back to my channel मी आणि माझा प्रवास. Today we are going to explore another must visit destination, and this destination is a treat for the wildlife lovers. So this place is situated in the Jaipur, Rajasthan. The nearest city to this is the Savai Madhopur. So we started our journey from Mumbai International Airport and landed into the Jaipur International Airport. And on the way, we explored some important places like Alberta Museum Hall. As I have already visited some other places in Jaipur, this time we skipped that. Another must visit place is the Birla Temple. In the evening, we explored the ethnic village which is situated on the outskirts of Jaipur, a Chokhedani village. It is situated on several acres, and there are many things to explore and to enjoy, like Rajasthani folk dance, boating, elephant ride, the Champi massage, the camel ride. The children's enjoyed a lot, as there were many options to explore, and we also visited the different stalls. These Rajasthani people, they are very lovely and welcoming. So as we enjoyed the Rajasthani folk dance, we also joined there and had some thumkas along with them. I literally enjoyed dancing on the floor, which is my favorite. And then in the end, we had this lovely feast. We ended the day with the Chokhedani village and lovely memories. And now our next stop is the must visit destination, that is the Ranthambore. And in the hotel, they welcomed us with the lovely Rajasthani folk. After checking into the hotel, we got ready for the evening gypsy safari. Although we didn't spot the tiger during this safari, we enjoyed the sunset, the breeze, and the peace of nature. Those were the some family cliques, and as it was the reunion for Mr. Tushar, it was like Dil Chahta Hai moments for them. And in the evening, again we enjoyed some Rajasthani tradition. Next day morning, we got ready for the canter ride. It was very cold there, so we had our protection. And look at them. There were these national birds waiting for us to welcome us. On the way, we look at the scenic view of Padam Talao. And now it's time for Bengal tiger. And it was like ek pe ek free moment. We spotted two Bengal tigers walking in like catwalk. In their attitude, it was dream come true moment for us. So we were so happy that we spotted two tigers, and childrens were also enjoyed that moment. And on the way, we spotted some birds like snake bird, and here is our Spider-Man, some family cliques, as we were so happy that we did it. On back way to hotel, children also enjoyed the pottery making, some sunshine, as it was very cold there. And then we visited the Rajendra the museum there. It was again another must visit place in Savai Madhopur. In the evening, it was the time for river safari. This river safari, it is situated on the Chambal river, and there are these it is famous for these marsh crocodiles there, and everywhere you can spot these crocodiles lying here and there. And enjoy the scenic view of this large river along with this tall pool and these most dirty looking reptiles on the earth. But yes, we spotted the multiple, and it was now time to say bye bye to Ranthambore. So thank you for watching my video and subscribe for more.